Okay, so today we're making pan grease. So you're going to put in 1 cup of bread flour substitute, half a cup of vegetable oil, and 1 pound or 16 ounces of shortening. That is the equivalent of one of the small cans of the Crisco cans, so if you want it pre-measured for you, just grab one of those. Once you have that, just mix it all together. Make sure you pulse it at the beginning so the flour doesn't blow up in your face, and then just let it go. Make sure you're wearing gloves during this whole process because pan grease and shortening itself is very messy and sticks to everything. Make sure you stop it at least once during the process so you can scrape it down and mix it again to ensure it's well combined. And once your mixture is done, there you have it, pan grease. This is great to make sure your cakes don't stick to your pans, and it's completely edible.